Hi guys, this is again Backsteed. For today's video, I'm going to share with you my experience regarding the repair of my cell phone. And the reason why my cell phone broke is because I recently downgraded the UI of my Realme 8 5G phone. And aside from that, I would like also to tell you that this phone is actually something like a limited edition already of the Realme line of phones. So, anyways, I went to the location of the repair center of Realme at SM West, SM North, sorry. And this is the place and the building that you're looking at right now near SM again, and that is now the entrance at the side going to the second floor. And this is already the second floor going in. I'm just going to check out again the way, or I'm going to check my bike because what I use for transport is a bicycle. I'm going to check here if my bicycle is still okay. I just park it somewhere outside, so let me check again the bike outside. Once again, the reason why I repaired my phone is because of a downgrade. I lost the signal of my SIM card. That's the reason why I went to this repair center of Realme. And there is actually a fee for that because I surpassed already the 1 year warranty, and this is already the entrance. A very simple door, the place. You're going to have a card, a number to line up, and a very simple repair they did. Very fast, accommodating repair, and I went to the other side and eat after, and then drink some soft drink afterwards, and go home. This is again Basit for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and stay awesome.